Hi, this is Mark. This is an update on the SP 500 short I took on Friday. It was a break of a trend line, everything was rolling over. This was fundamental more than anything, and I have initial stop up here above that spike and the 55 EMA. Now this is now currently 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, and we are at a double bottom where it has rejected this morning. The US market doesn't open for another hour, but I am getting a little twitchy about this one now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close 60% of it and then leave the balance to run. And then, woohoo, the first time I've had a win on the pound yen for years. I normally stay well away from this pair. This is one I showed you last week where I had the entries in the same place, but I had different stops. I had one stop at 40 pips and one stop at 70 pips. And we've come down. It's an almost perfect entry as ever. We're now done 107 pips and the average is 180, so there's still the potential for this to go further. But once again, I have now gained 70 odd pips. This has a nasty habit of whipsawing, and there has been yen strength overnight, and when New York opens, it could well be the yen strength kicks back in again. So I am going to close one of these trades and leave the balance to run. Catch you later.